Yo, what's good? Got a new pickup in from StockX that I picked up. It's right over here. Let's take a look what I got. Just rip this bag out real quick. Grabbed on StockX. It's the North Face, the fleece. I picked this up when the price was still pretty low. Let me check out my receipt and everything. So here it is, the North Face Gore-Tex. This is the fleece. Comes with StockX sticker. Little authenticity. Got my receipt. The Expedition fleece. There you have it. North Face tag, size medium, supreme. Got that authenticity. Had to pick this up. Size medium. The fleece. Got that supreme North Face right there. That patch. Gore-Tex. Everything. Cordura. Gore-Tex. North Face on the back. This is all black. White one is fire, but don't think I would be able to wear it too much. But this is the newest pickup that I picked up from StockX that I think look pretty sick. Easy to wear. Yeah, here's the inside. There you know, North Face Gore-Tex. I have the jacket. I had to pick up this fleece. Leave a comment what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you guys haven't. I'm out. Peace.